Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back to another video. NextGen Wealth Tips here. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 5 penny stocks for good growth in 2025. So, before I start, I would like to say I'm not a financial advisor. Consult with a professional if you are new to investing. Before you put your hard earned money into any of these, make sure you do your own research and get the stocks that you are confident in and that you like. I make videos like this to give you guys ideas on stocks to look at. I personally invest my own money into these and I put a lot of time researching. All I ask in return is a sub and a like and maybe a share. Share these with your friends, make them richer, make them more successful. Also, I'm going to include why these stocks can be bearish and also give you guys a better ideas on what to look at. Also, I'm not here to tell you what to buy, hold, or sell. So first off, I want to start by explaining what a penny stock is. So basically, they're stocks trading below $5. They are issued by small cap companies, and with a low market cap, they can give you a high risk and high reward potential. We're going to be talking about some risk, and we're also going to be including bearish sense into these stocks. So how do I select these stocks? I basically select the stocks for these videos based on their bullish and strong growth, and also if they're looking good financially and made some recent improvements on their financials. So little sellout before we start. I just want to say Robinhood and Coinbase are good apps to get started with, how easy they are to use, and simple aesthetics. Use my link below to get free stocks and crypto, and you will be entered to win 1 BTC. You can win $98,000 just by using my link. So go check that out if you want. If not, that's okay. But first off, we're going to be starting off with one that I've been investing a lot in recently. I've been personally looking at this stock myself and putting a lot of money and time researching this back to back. I think I included this in another video too. Might even have a video separated talking about the stock. This one's one that I'm really confident in. So although they just had a dip, I am still very confident in this one, and it had no major bad news on the dip. It just gave me a better chance to get in and dollar cost average to make some more money in the future. And it gives you guys a good opportunity to get into with how cheap it is. Also, I want to say with how the rate cuts are going and kind of showing that there's not really too many rate cuts. So we're basically in like a market sell off, but bigger, we're in a tech sell off. So these stocks are kind of going based on that. So some of these might have a recent sell off, just like this stock right here, SoundHound. But with that being said, we're just at that territory where it's going to give us good discounts, and I recommend waiting to get in until the sell offs are over and until the market is back bullish. But at the same time, just look at these stocks and just kind of estimate when you really want to buy this stock, and just have limit orders on it and just wait. I guess always have a plan when investing into your stocks. I recommend looking at the charts, doing your own research. And if you're like, okay, a stock's good to buy at $15, you put a buy order for $15. It's a good time to get in. And if you have a plan on when you want to buy, have a plan on when you want to sell it too. But let me stop yapping and let's get started. So basically, this first one that we're going to be talking about is SoundHound AI. They make voiceovers, and they do it by using AI. And AI is a growing market. With them using AI, they make it more usable and more stable for growth. They are using it with other AI applications like cars and more. With the constant AI growth we have right now, this is the best time for using them and getting more deals, making the stock growth potential even higher. With that being said, some of the current growth drivers is their record revenues and strong market adoption. And like I said before, with the AI sector's rapid growth, companies like SoundHound AI are in a great position to capitalize on the increasing demand of AI. They also already have big deals with NVIDIA, and NVIDIA is also working on autonomous driving. Like I said before, they work with the cars and the self-driving cars, and using Sound AI is only going to grow them even more. That being said, like I said before, I'm gonna show you guys why they're bearish also. So now some bearish factors on this stock. They have intense competition, and they already have people like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft already dominating the voice AI solutions. Although they already had a $10 million deal, the reliance on external funding shows potential cash flow issues. Their ability to really profit is not yet proven, and we recently saw that big stock dip, like I said before. Next, we're going to be talking about quantum computing. So they focus on developing quantum-ready software applications and solutions. Some of the growth drivers are they have already made great advancements in the field, separating them from their competition. Their ongoing developments in quantum technology can open new market opportunities for the stock, which means more growth for the stock. Now, why are they bearish? Quantum computing requires extensive research, which can take a lot of the money without getting instant returns. In short, basically, if they don't have enough money or get funding, they really can't research anything or make new advancements because they can't get the money back really like fast enough basically to cover it. The market for quantum computing is currently limited, and that may hinder growth in the near term. So next, I'm going to be talking about something that is kind of cool, that I think is kind of cool and pretty new right now. or it is Blade Air Mobility. Sounds like something in GTA, honestly, like one of those businesses they add. But they're basically Uber, but in the air. You can call a helicopter from your phone. Sounds like a great idea, but also if it doesn't work out as planned or they don't have enough funding for it, it can badly hinder the stock or end badly, basically. With that being said, some of the things that are shown why the stock growth is good is with a lot more traffic, having alternative transportations like getting to your meeting or flight by helicopter can be more convenient. With their new thing, the eVTOL aircraft, it could reduce operation costs and expand its service offerings, basically making their service cheaper and like available to, like the community, basically. You don't have to be rich to call yourself a helicopter, you feel me? But some of the bearish things include with the regulations in the aviation side, it can have challenges going to certain places. Also, building places to land and fly is very costly and time consuming. And when our economy does not really look that good, the demand for luxury focused travel can decline. And honestly, that could decline the stock. But next, we're going to be talking about ticker BZUN. I can't pronounce the name. I'm sorry. I'm not even going to try because I'm going to mess it up and then probably get made fun of. But they're basically in the e-commerce sector. They do things like website design, digital marketing, and way more. They're also based in China. So keep that on your mind if you don't want to invest in the stocks in other countries. Their growth drivers are with the expanding e-commerce market in China, it has a lot of opportunities for service providers like this company. With their partnerships, collaborations with major brands can enhance the company's market position. Now, for my bears out there, why is it bearish? With it being highly reliant on the Chinese market, things like the economy slowing down in China and other factors can hurt their growth. And they have intense competition with companies like larger firms, so that could really hinder their growth potential. Next, we're going to be talking about ticker CRDF. So they're in the biotechnology sector. They develop treatments for cancer patients. Growth. Advancements in clinical trials can significantly impact the company's value. You see this all the time in stocks like this. Once they come out with something that benefits or shows good potential, the company and their stock can 10x, or you can even see even more returns. This is one of those sectors that doesn't really move that lot in the short term, but then once something comes out good, you're going to see the stock price go up like 100 times or something like that. I see it all the time. Cancer treatments are still in critical need, and the outcomes with finding something can make you a lot of money if you invest into this stock early. So that's why I recommend this one, and I personally invest into this one myself. But let's talk about some bear sense because you guys got to know why it could be a bad idea also to invest. So this stock highly depends on the outcomes of the clinical trials. Negative results can really impact the stock prices and make it drop even more. And also gaining approval for some of these treatments can also be very lengthy and it's kind of uncertain. So you never know if you'll really get the approval. Biotech companies often face high operation costs too. So they will be spending a lot of money from investors and funds through stock and other things like that. So keep that on your mind. Finally, I want you to fully understand some of the risk and how penny stocks work. Make sure you do your own research and understand the company you're investing in. Understand that for low market caps, it's harder to find a seller and a buyer, meaning that if you want to sell the shares, you need a buyer. And if you want to buy some shares, you need a seller, basically. Also, I recommend you to diversify your portfolio. I make penny stock videos like this all the time, literally 3 times a week or even more. So if you need more ideas, go watch some of those other videos. I also have a playlist for that too. Or you can also just do your own research and watch other penny stock videos too. So it's kind of up to you. I'm not really making y'all watch my videos, but yeah. I also want to say I recently made a Discord. So make sure that you guys join while it's still free. We might make it paid later on. So just come in early and y'all get that free Discord. You feel me? But come chat, learn, and talk to others that are also investing. I'm basically making this Discord so everybody can have similar basically mindset and everybody can be a part of the market. So yeah, so come join if y'all want. Link is in the description below. But thank you for watching the video. I put a lot of time and effort into these videos. So all I ask for return is a subscribe, a like, and have those post notifications on so you never miss out on an upload. You can also share too if you want. If you're feeling like it, share it with a friend. Let them grow their portfolio and or money and just make them a better human overall, be financially stable. But I upload videos every single day that you can benefit from and make you more financially stable. I'll see you guys in the next video. Check out some of my other videos and check out those links for free stocks and join the Discord. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Thank you for 100 subs, by the way. I want to point that out. We hit 100 subs literally today. made me very happy. So I want to say thank you guys and I appreciate everything that you guys are doing. Peace out, guys. Good luck investing.